Hey guys, looking at number 8. First one's talking about angles 5 and 7. So a lot of this picture is useless. Angle 7 uses line B and that's a D, B and D. So I'm going to trace those because that's important information. It also is going to be talking about angle 5. 5 also uses line B, but it uses line E. If I didn't just trace it green, it's useless information. I am trying to classify angle 5 with angle 7. They are on the same side of the transversal, but one of them is between the green lines, one of them is outside my green lines. Therefore, I can't say same side interior or same side exterior. When you have one in and one out like this, when they're not adjacent, you are having an instance of corresponding angles. They are both in the top right position in their intersection. So that means angle 5 and 7 would be considered corresponding. Angle 7 and 8 are the next pairs that we're supposed to look at. Well, I already have 7 traced conveniently, but angle 8 is up here using line C. So I've changed the two lines that are parallel that I'm looking at, or that we're assuming are parallel. 7 and 8 now, when I compare it to the transversal, they're on the same side of that transversal. They're also both between lines B and C. Therefore, they would be considered same side interior angles. When we go to look at angles 5 and 6, angle 5 uses line E and line B, so E and B, and angle 6 uses line B and E, which means it's a little strange, and I'm only using two lines. You can't be interior exterior when you don't have parallel lines. These are across from each other in an intersection. Anytime you have that, it's not the new set of labels that we've been working with. These are just vertical angles. Those still exist. The last set we're supposed to look at, sorry, that's the bell. The last set of angles we're supposed to look at are angles 2 and 4. Angle 2 up here uses line D and line A. And then angle 4 also uses line A and line E. So they both use A, that's my transversal. And we have the two parallel lines of D and E. When line D is my transversal, 2 and 4 are not on the same side of that. They're on alternate sides. They are also both between line D and E. Therefore, angles 2 and E will be alternate interior angles. So hopefully that helps clear up any questions you had about going through those. And yeah, good luck.